Burn this one alive. I'm going to burn it and make sure it is really dead. I'm going to burn it and make sure it is dead. Hello.
Hey guys, meet my friend Evergreen Union with Oluchukwu Anya. So heading over to the gym, I registered a few months ago and here we are today.
Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, giving breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say.
Hey guys, say hello to my kids sis. People look call us twins because we actually look a lot alike. So she just decided to work with me to see what I'm going to do today. She's going to be my camera woman. She's the one to cover my footage just for today. I decided to use the scale. Actually, I don't weigh that much.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only
And now the business of today has just started and I'm already getting tired. Hell, who did this to me?
What did you do for Nyash?
stop till I hear him say. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Exercise is not for you.
Till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah.
I made a tutorial on how to sew a basic jumpsuit from the scratch. I drafted my pattern on my pattern paper first of all, and before I transferred it to my fabric, I am done drafting the bodies, the basic bodies for it, and I focused on the lower part, which is the trouser of course. So I drafted the back part first of all, and heading over to the front. This is what I have for the front piece, and you can see that I am done. So my full video is on my channel for this. If you want to locate it, I'll be dropping a link on the screen just so you can see the both videos, the cutting and the stitching together about this video. So this is what I have. This is the end result, the completed stage. So you can go ahead and search for a video and watch it to the end. It's a very interesting video. I had so much fun creating this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn.
This is me trying it on. This is me posing for a video and checking out how it turned out. I'm just trying to see what goes and what does not go.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.
So it's nightfall, and after doing my chores, I went to the kitchen and I found out that there is this dangerous reptile, a snake, right inside my kitchen, and I had to act quickly to kill it. Actually, it's not the first one I killed today. I killed one in the morning around 6 a.m., and this is around 8 p.m. now in the evening. I killed another one. So I'm just going to use anti-snake or a snake repellent as soon as possible to fumigate the house.
This is what I've been seeing. I killed one this morning and I killed another one this night because it came into my kitchen and I had to spray chemicals to kill it, and I closed the door and left the kitchen. I used the fleet on it and I used kerosene as well. So now the animal is very weak and cannot do anything. I thank God. Banzakowa.